What's up, guys? This is Loud No Hippie Barbecue, and my son did a recipe that was so good the other day that I said, you know what, we gotta do a video on this. Now this is one of those recipes that I looked at and I was thinking that it might be pretty complicated to do, but he said it's not, so we're gonna be knocking it out. What's the name of this?
Salmon Wellington.
Alright, so why don't you tell us what the ingredients we're gonna need to hook this up?
Well, it's pretty simple. We just got some baby spinach, cream cheese, puff pastry sheets, butter, minced up garlic, and onion, salmon, salt, pepper, and a little bit of oregano.
Did you mention the butter?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so those are the ingredients. So we're going to see if Chef Bro RD could hook this up. So what's the first step that we're going to need to get this cooked?
Well, the first thing we're going to want to do is cook down the garlic and onion together until they're translucent.
Alright, we're going to get set up to start with that. Alright, so let's get this started. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the ingredients and amounts in the description below, but it's on you for now, so go ahead and roll on.
Okie doke. Gonna cook down this garlic and onion until it gets nice and translucent, and then we're gonna add the baby spinach to it. I love that smell. Okay. Now we got this mixture cooked up. We're gonna add the baby spinach and let that cook down until it's wilted a bit. This is looking real nice and wilted. Now we're gonna add the cream cheese, butter, and the spices. Oh, more butter. It is smelling real good right now.
I'm going to add a little bit more of this pepper to it. I don't know what. There, that looks good.
Now we're gonna let this mixture cook all together, get all nice like, and then we'll get started on the salmon. Okay, now we got our mixture cooked down and looking real nice. We're gonna let it rest for a little bit as we go and get the puff pastry sheets out and actually start to have this come together. Okay, we got our card cleaned off, dusted a little bit with some all-purpose flour, and we're gonna roll this out and get it ready to put some salmon in it. But we're probably gonna roll this out just a little bit to thin it up. Thinned out a little bit. We're gonna get it ready to get this. We're gonna put the salmon in, the stuffing, and get it in the oven.
And that's a little bit of pepper right there.
I'm gonna hit up a little bit of salt. We're gonna get it with that stuffing. You can be as liberal as you want with this. It won't really affect it. Now we're gonna get this wrapped up and put into the oven. You can leave the ends on if you want to. I just like to cut them down just a little bit. And then you want to try to seal up these edges just a little bit. Nothing will really leak out when it gets in the oven. It's just something you can do or not do. And if you want to, you can put slits into the top, but that's not necessary.
And what temperature is going to go in the oven at?
Oh, it's going to go in there about 425 for about 30 minutes. Before all that happens, we're going to give it a little bit of a butter bath. And I think we will end up giving it some slits.
And we're going to do one without slits as well, just to kind of see what the difference is.
A little bit more butter. And okie doke, it's ready to go in the oven. All right, now that's out the oven, we're going to cut this in half and get it plated up. Nope.
All right, it's a wrap. Let's get into it and see what we think. Go ahead. Definitely a tasty dish. Anyway, I'm gonna finish knocking this out. I appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by No Hippie Barbecue and Cooking and checking out a prime Eddie Murphy video. We appreciate it. Comment, subscribe, we're out.